Come on along. Well, dudes and doodle-whackers, we got a 10 or 11 inch snowfall yesterday, and now I'm in my ford, and I'm gonna go do some roads, what do you call them? Landings for trucks, for loggers. I'll bring you along, hey? All winter long, and here finally in February we get some snow, I tell you. All right, see you, bye. I hope you're happy, John Deere. Oh, just got done with this one. I got 2 more to do. Show you a little bit around before I hit the sunshine. That girl was in the shop last week. That's what all brought this about. He's logging close to me. So we got a foot of snow. I got confirmation. A foot, I tell you, a foot. On to the next one. We got to just make a big wide circle for the semis to turn around and the semis to come in empty. Load up over there. I even pushed John a little parking spot next to his Ponza. I don't know why, but I did. So next one is up there on the hill, and then there's one further beyond that. It's all the same landowner apparently, but okay, I'll go to the next one. Well, I kind of pity this truck driver here. I got a plowed field over here. He'll be alright. He's got to make a swing through that little narrows, pull up where I'm sitting, and back into the piles. Apparently they got lots of wood back here yet to get out to this landing. So that's number 2. Join me for number 3. There, number 3 is done. Right on a hilltop. What a view. Look at that. See that? 8 silos over there. I wonder what farm that is. Mega farm. Nice valley here. Oh, it's 12 degrees out. Gotta love it. Yeah, anyway, so that's my video for today, I guess. The old jitney works pretty good for a Ford. Look at that, an old abandoned house. Hey. Yeah. Crisp. Beautiful out here. Alright guys, you have a great day. We'll see you on the next one.